Equations are a key part of algebra, and one of the reasons they are important is because equations are used to solve problems. Mathematics throughout history has been developed largely to solve problems. A lot of things that show up in the real world can be figured out mathematically. One of the things that this involves is translating sentences into equations. A lot of times we'll have a statement of a problem in English, for example, and we need to translate the English statement into a mathematical equation. So what we're going to do now is just practice that idea, just that one aspect of equations. We're not going to be going into all the theory and all the different ways to solve equations. We're just going to practice this one thing with some very simple equations, translating sentences from English into mathematical equations. Here are three sentences, and they're mathematical in nature. They deal with numbers and operations on numbers, like the operations that we've been doing. But they're written in English. These are English sentences, and you'll see that these can be translated directly into mathematical statements, which we call equations. 5 squared minus 10 is 15. Okay, 5 squared, let's write that. 5 squared minus 10, we just say minus 10, and is means equals, is 15. And you can look at that and read that equation much like you would read the English sentence above it. 5 squared minus 10 is 15. All right, let's do the next one. 24 divided by 8 is equal to 12 minus 9. So we write 24 divided by 8 is equal to 12 minus 9. That should make sense. The meaning of this sentence is exactly the same as the meaning of this equation. And the last one, 6 less than 19 is 10 plus 3. Right, this one's a little bit tricky. 6 less than 19. You might be tempted to write the number 6 right immediately because 6 shows up first. That wouldn't quite be right. 6 less than 19, this means 19 minus 6. If you think about what that means, if you have 19 and you take away 6, that's what that is. 6 less than 19. So 6 less than 19 is, the is becomes an equal sign. On the right, 10 plus 3. So 6 less than 19 is 10 plus 3.